Of course, it is ultimately taking place. Therefore, for those who possess SHIB tokens or have an interest in Shiba Inu, this video is an absolute must-see. So what is the most recent information regarding Shiba Inu coin? And what is the potential impact of this on the value of Shiba Inu? In today's video, I will address these inquiries and provide you with all of the recent price-boosting information regarding Shiba Inu. Make certain to watch the entire video in order to ensure that you do not neglect any important information, as I have conducted a significant amount of investigation. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more SHIB news, be sure to click the like button. But prior to discussing our subject, let us examine the chart and observe the cost of Shiba on June 26th. Today, the expense of a Shiba Inu is approximately 11145 units. In the past 24 hours, SHIB's price has declined by 1.5%, with a 24-hour trading volume of $112 million. The token is presently the 21st highest valued cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of over $6.7 billion. It is important to bear in mind that the prices may have changed by the time you view this video. This content is not financial advice. Alright, let's proceed to the video of the day. 5.5 trillion Shiba Inu increase surprises recently. The Shiba Inu community experienced the maximum quantity of significant holder outflows in over a month, totaling 5.54 trillion SHIB. This unprecedented activity may have been the result of significant market participants strategically repositioning themselves, and SHIB was trading at approximately 1,170 units. SHIB is initiating efforts to achieve technical stability following a prolonged decline that commenced in early June. Following a modest recovery from a local resistance range near 1140 units, the asset is now trading at approximately 1,170 units. 50-day and 100-day moving averages continue to exhibit a downward trend, indicative of a persistent pessimistic bias and exerting pressure on price action. A short-term reversal could be initiated by a break over the descending pattern line and the rebound of the 1320 units mark. Although RSI metrics are marginally below neutral, suggesting a feeble bullish conviction, volume remains low, which could potentially lead to an upward movement if momentum improves. A change that is worth monitoring is shown by on-chain dynamics. Despite a 68.33% decrease in 30-day outflows, the most recent change suggests a swift 49.55% increase, primarily as a result of the recent surge. This abrupt withdrawal increases the likelihood of accumulation by substantial purses or deliberate shift to cold storage, both of which typically occur prior to bullish sentiment. The reality that the outflow didn't immediately result in a price rise suggests that the SHIB is likely to undergo a long-term strategy change by whales as it consolidates near multi-month lows. This would be consistent with the broader market caution. The price structure remains fragile, but the firm support at 1150 units and whale activity indicate that SHIB may be approaching a critical pivot point. Any break above the barrier that is confirmed by volume could initiate a brief relief rise toward the 100-day MA area, which is situated at approximately 1,500 units. Until that time, traders should remain vigilant, as the subsequent phase of SHIB's marketplace trajectory will likely be determined by new significant wallet actions and price reactions. If you are still viewing, it would be greatly appreciated if you could click the like icon. It is completely free and contributes significantly to the channel's support. Continue to monitor the Shiba Inu coin for the most recent updates and to determine its potential for the future. What is the pricing of SHIB? The success of Shiba Inu is undeniable if its market capitalization is equivalent to that of Dogecoin. The industry was captivated by the dog-themed cryptocurrency in August 2020, following its launch. The 2021 bull run resulted in a drastic increase in the price of SHIB. The asset's valuation experienced a significant increase, reaching an all-time peak of 8,616 units in October 2021, with a rally of many million %. The momentum that SHIB achieved during its 2021 apex has been difficult to recapture. In spite of its subpar performance, the asset has maintained its popularity among investors and enthusiasts. How much does a Shiba Inu cost? It is estimated that Dogecoin has a marketplace capitalization of nearly 26 billion, if its market capitalization is equivalent to that of Dogecoin. Assume that SHIB's circulating supply remains at $589 trillion, and its market capitalization reaches $26 billion. In such a case, the cost of each SHIB coin will reach 4,410 units. In the event that SHIB reaches 4,410 units, its price will increase by 236%. This rally is commendable. However, it is in no way comparable to SHIB's 2021 rally. If the circulating supply of Shiba Inu decreases, the cost of each token will increase beyond 4,110 units. Could the asset's supply drop? An enormous token sale by Vitalik Buterin was one of the catalysts for SHIB's remarkable rally in 2021. The co-founder of Ethereum received half of SHIB's supply at the time of its inception. Buterin elected to donate the remaining tokens to charity and fire 90% of the coins he'd received. While interest was high, his actions resulted in a significant decrease in supply, which in turn caused a significant price increase. A novel burn mechanism is reportedly being developed by the Shiba Inu team. There are rumors that the fresh burn mechanism will consume trillions of tokens annually. In the event that the initiative is effective, the asset's price could experience a substantial increase. The team has not yet provided any further information regarding the combustion mechanism. We also lack a commencement date for the combustion mechanism. Now, it is time for the primary narrative of the video produced today. AI predicts the price of SHIB on June 31, 2025 lately. Shiba Inu has emerged as a popular cryptocurrency token for a wide range of investors to investigate. Although the token has recently adjusted to a slower price schedule, this does not diminish the fact that it is here to stay. SHIB is eagerly anticipating the achievement of new highs, despite the low price pressure, and is preparing to embark on a similar pricing posture in order to do so. On or before June 31, 2025, will SHIB be capable of performing wonders? I suggest that we investigate this matter. Analysis of the coin-per-coin codex from a technical perspective. A neutral pace is being maintained by SHIB, which has the potential to enhance its price visibility once Bitcoin achieves new price peaks. The token may experience a surge and uptick in price, peaking at 1891 units by June 31, 2025, as per CC. It is anticipated that the cost of Shiba Inu will decrease by 2.04% and hit 1153 units by July 20, 2025, as per our current price prediction. According to our technical indicators, the present sentiment is adverse and the Dread and Avarice Index is recorded at 30. The price volatility of Shiba Inu over the past 30 days was 10.65%, with 11 out of 30 days being green. Given the Shiba Inu forecast, the current time is not a favorable one to invest in SHIB. It is important to bear in mind that the prices may have changed by the time you view this video. This content is not financial advice. Many of our subscribers have expressed their intention to retain millions of SHIB for the next 5 years, as they are confident in the real-world value of SHIB and the Shiba Inu developers. What quantity are you all currently holding? Don't neglect to include your SHIB assets in the remarks section below. I would like to commend the SHIB owner for their faith and confidence in the process. In the event that you are finding the video to be enjoyable, we would appreciate it if you could give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts on the Shiba Inu token in the comments section. In order to receive notifications for each new video we publish, ensure that the post notifications are enabled.